Do you want to make a birthday story on Instagram? You can put a birthday story on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a birthday story on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the bottom and select Story. Now, from the left side of the screen, select Create. On the Story Editor screen, type Happy Birthday. Customize the text style and tap on the Animate option to make the text animated. Place this text at the top of the screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the color icon to change the background color. Next, tap on the sticker icon at the top. A pop-up screen will appear. From here, select Photo Sticker. Now, select a photo of the birthday person from your gallery. Resize and place the photo at the bottom of the story. I recommend making it a rounded image. Again, tap on the text icon at the top to write a short birthday wish. Type the wish in short. You can also animate the wish text. After adding the wish, add a cake and gift emoji to make it more fun. Tap on the sticker icon and search for the cake emoji, then select one. Place it on the left side of the photo. Again, search for the gift emoji and select one. Place the gift on the right side of the photo. You can also tag the birthday person. For that, tap on the sticker icon and choose Add Mention. Now, type the birthday person's Instagram name and choose from the bottom of the screen. Adjust the position of text, emojis, and stickers to make it look nice. Once ready, tap on the Your Story button at the bottom to share.